Hello, my name is Bethany and I work at the Columbus, Wisconsin Public Library. Recently, we decided to offer curbside pickup for library items. While we cannot at this time get items from other libraries, our in-library collection is available for checkout. There are a couple of ways to find new items since right now the building is limited to staff only. We have made a Google form to make it easier to make general requests for items. You can always call us at 920-623-5910. And, of course, we have our online catalog. Today, I want to show you how to log into your account online in the catalog, as well as how to see if your library has a particular book available for checkout. This is especially important right now because delivery among the libraries is not currently running, so it is helpful to be able to figure out if your local library has the title you are looking for. Our first step is to get to the library catalog website. I will be providing a direct link in the description of this video, so please feel free to use that. Otherwise, most libraries in the South Central system, including Columbus, have a link from their websites to www.linkcat.info. And Linkcat is spelled Linkcat. Once we're on Linkcat, you'll notice on the upper right-hand corner, there is a rectangle that says My Account Login. When you click it, you will see two options. If you click My Library Dashboard and log in, it will take you directly to your account information so you can see what you have checked out and so forth. Since we're going to be searching for items in the catalog, I'm going to choose Login. After you click one of the options, a box will appear in the middle of the screen with two blanks for a barcode and PIN. Your barcode can be found on your library card. You can type it in with no spaces between the numbers. Your PIN is a 4-digit number. The PIN is set up when you make a library account, and unless you specify differently, it will most likely be your month and day of birth. For example, if you were born March 3rd, your PIN would be 0303. If you get a failed to log in notice after trying a couple of times with your library card number and PIN, please call your local library for assistance to change your PIN and to check your account status. Now that we're logged in, we will begin searching. To the right of the Linkcat globe symbol, you will see a couple of white rectangles. There is one that says Library with a little downward arrow next to it. When you click on it, a list of all the South Central libraries will appear. You can select the library you are planning to pick up from, and this will make the items that are at this location appear first when you do a search. This does not limit your search to that library. I will show you how to do that in a little bit. The next rectangle to talk about is the keyword menu. If you click on the keyword menu, you will see a variety of search options. You can search by specific titles, authors, subjects, or even an ISBN. The subject or keyword search is great when you are looking for books on a particular topic, like robots or Wisconsin flowers. You can use title or keyword search when you know the specific name of the item you are looking for. For this example, I am going to use an author search. The next rectangle is the Format section. Here, you can specify the type of media you are looking for, including but not limited to books, audiobooks, DVDs, Blu-ray DVDs, and others. It is up to you as to whether or not you want to limit the format type to one, such as a book or audiobook. I'm going to change mine to book for this search. The last rectangle is where we type in what we're looking for. Today, I am searching to see if Columbus has any Nora Roberts books. When I click search, it displays 25 of 641 results. That's a lot. When I scroll down though, I notice that it's starting out with the electronic resource books, also known as ebooks. You can tell because they say downloadable and electronic resource in the blue text. Those books are available through the library's online offerings through Overdrive, so that's not what I'm looking for. On the left of the screen, there are options to limit your search. The first section is called Available on Shelf. This is where we can see what Columbus has. This list of libraries is organized by the number of items at each library and not necessarily in alphabetical order. I don't see Columbus in the visible list, so I am going to click the word More at the bottom of the section to see if I can spot Columbus. There it is. I'm going to click on that. Now, the items that I see in this list are all items that are available for checkout from Columbus. If you notice on the sides, there are still other options to limit the search further, including by topic or genre and form, among other things. The When We Meet book looks interesting to me though, so I'm going to click on this title. When you click on an item, it will take you to the items page. You can see details about it there, such as author and publisher, who has it at their library, and there is a button that says Reviews and More that can sometimes offer descriptions, book reviews, and author information. This title looks interesting to me, so I'm going to go ahead and place the item on hold. To do this, I look under the Title Actions area that is to the right of the book information. I click the words Place Hold. If you forgot to log into your account before you started searching, there will be a prompt for you to log in. When I click Place Hold after being logged in, I see some brief information about the book and a Place Hold button among other things. If I suddenly decide I don't want to place it on hold, I can click the tiny blue arrow in the top right corner of the rectangle that has popped up. I want to place this one on hold though, so I can pick it up. Before I click Place Hold, I need to make sure my pickup location is right. Right now it's set for Ruth Culver Community Library. That's not where I want to pick this up. I want to pick it up at Columbus since I know that they have it. So I will click on the down arrow on that box and choose Columbus Library from the list. Then I will hit Place Hold. Once you do that, it should come up with some green text that says Hold Successfully Placed and your number in the waiting list. From there, you can either go to your holds by clicking View My Holds, or you can click the tiny blue X to get out of the pop-up window. Now, we can either start a new search at the top of the page, or we can go back to our Nora Roberts search by clicking our back arrow. I'm going to go back because I bet there are a few more that look interesting. If more than one book in a list strikes your fancy, you can click the little squares to the left of the title, then scroll up to the beginning of the list. Click on the blue word Actions and you'll see the option to place holds there. Once you click that, you should see the items that you checked the boxes for, and you can place them all on hold at the same time. Or you can remove one or both of them from your final decision. Please note, if you choose to go to the next page of search results, the books you clicked on the first page of search results will not show up in the place hold area since you technically left the page that they were on. So make sure before you go to the next search results page, you click the items on hold that you want from the current visible list. I'll show you how to see more results next. Now, say for example none of these first 25 results are interesting. Maybe I've read them before, or that's not quite what I'm looking for. To see more results, I can scroll down to the bottom of the page where I see buttons for Previous, Page Numbers, and Next. I can hit the Next button 2, 3, or 4 to see more results and place more items on hold. After you are finished placing your items on hold, you can log out of your account much in the same way you logged in. Click on the rectangle on the upper right-hand side of the screen. It should have your name on it if you are logged in. You can then click Log Out. And there you have it. That's how we can use Linkcat for placing items on hold for pickup. You will be notified once your items are ready. Once you receive that notification, give us a call at 920-623-5910 to schedule a pickup time. We hope this video was helpful. Please give us a call if you have any further questions, and thank you for using your local public library.